Hi there. In this video, I'll be talking about web accessibility. Web accessibility is essentially making your website accessible so that everyone, irrespective of disability, are able to navigate and interact with your website. I'll be talking about 4 benefits for making your website accessible. Number 1, it opens you up to a way larger audience, so that you're not just restricted to people that do not have any disabilities. Number 2, it also ensures that you're compliant with the required accessibility laws depending on the region that you live in. Number 3, it's great for brand reputation, and it shows that your small business is inclusive and caters to different types of people. And lastly, it makes for a great user experience, that irrespective of what people's needs are, they're able to enlarge text on your image, they're able to turn on an option to be able to listen to the content on your website via audio, and so much more. And no, you don't have to do any of this alone. There are available accessibility tools like Accessibility, Userway, and much more that you can install on your website to help you make your website accessible.